Hey, welcome to this episode where I show you how to wear motocross boots properly. I see a lot of people, what they do is they either tuck it all the way in on the inside, which kind of is, you can do, but not really. But what I'm getting at is there's a lot of people out there, especially the really experienced people, like especially the instructors and advanced riders. I still see them wearing their trousers over all this, and you see that their trousers start getting worn on the inside. Now with a lot of motocross boots, you get this outer plastic and then the boot, and what you should do is layer your trouser to be around the outside of the leather there, but on the inside of the armour. That way it protects your trousers from getting rubbed and damaged from being off-road all the time, because obviously there's a lot of bumps and a lot of abrasion and contact to the bike will happen here. That's why this is a nice firm rubber, and also it kind of keeps a lot of the muck out of your boot, so it's the best of both worlds really. This is how I would do it. Now I know I'm wearing jeans, but I'm just going to try and show you as an example. I wouldn't normally wear jeans. So you'd roll your trousers up, you'd do your boot up, so between the armour and the leather you would just put it down. Like so. Makes sense, right? And now the other part is you start from the bottom. Make sure you've got your straps properly adjusted. And you slowly work your way up. You don't want to do it from the top to the bottom. It will become uncomfortable. Oh, I need to do that up a little bit more. It will become uncomfortable. Now that is so much better than that, hey guys. It's protecting, no dirt is going in my boot, no water and stuff. Even though these are not waterproof, you still will get water in it, but it kind of keeps it to a minimal, and also it's not damaging my trousers. I'm letting my boot do all the work. If you've liked this video and it's helped you, why not hit the like, subscribe, put bell notifications on to all. And if you don't know how to break in boots and you want a quick easy tip, why not check out this video just over here. It saves you a lot of time rather than putting them on and have to walk around in them for hours and hours and hours, hassle of wearing them and being uncomfortable. This video will give you that nice little tip. Anyway, you ride safe and goodbye for now.